of this? As in, what is not what I asked Temidayo to do? Like, why is he doing? Oh my God. Ah, God. Temidayo, please, did you pay attention to this at all? You're going to have to type all of this in Excel because I can't even stand this right now. God is covered.
My HR right now is expecting to type all those information inside Microsoft Excel, right? I'll show you a faster method of doing that. First, now you have to first snap the image as a picture format. That's a JPG format, right? So what I need to do is go to my Microsoft Word. I type Word. I open Word. I click on the blank Word, right? So I insert the document she gave me right now as a picture file. So from my document, I go to desktop. There's the picture there's the document she just gave me, right? Which I've already saved it as a picture file. I insert it as an image. That's step one. I'm going to save this as a PDF format. So I go to File, Save As, Browse, Desktop. Let me just save it as tutorial. His name is tutorial, right? I change the save format, the type to PDF, right? I click on OK, and that's all. Because it's shown as a PDF. This is the document, right? So what I need to do now, I need to just close this. Let me just minimize this. So this is it here, right? This is the document here. What I need to do is right click. I open with. So I'm going to open with a Microsoft Word this time around. So I go to More Apps. There's Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. Okay. So it's going to convert this now to Word format. You can see. Cool, right? So I select all. I copy. I open my Excel now. Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel. Blank work. I make this bigger. I go to my view. I remove my grid line. I paste this. I make all of this show. Let's make it bigger a little bit. Make it bigger a little bit. So let me just let me just get some information. Okay, this is a merge cell. So all the merge, I have to merge all the merge cells. So let me just unmerge this. Okay. So I'm looking for all the merge cells. Also, I want to unmerge this. Merge, okay. Anything that is. Let me just make all of this a border. So this is for the month of January. Home. Make it all borders, okay. Go down. So after I've done the first one, you go down to February, select all, go down, go down. You make it all border. You can also make the outer border a thick outer border if you want some. So do the same thing here. Home, all border. I make it thicker outer border, thick border, and voila, we're good. So you can see how fast this is, right? Send this now to my boss and tell her I'm done. So thanks guys, and I hope you learned something new today. Have fun guys.